front of me is Google Pixel 6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this smartphone. Start by accessing settings and scrolling down. Now tap on System, Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and finally Gboard. Over here, go into Theme and tap on Show More to see all available ones. When you're ready, you can click on one of those images or colors, like that one. Click on the switcher next to Keyboarders to turn them off or on and tap Apply. And now, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can also go back into the same settings, but this time tap on this plus icon under My Themes. Now select a photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then choose Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally click on Done, enable or disable Keyboarders. Choose Apply over here, and now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!